Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today we're going to be using the large die of the month from Spellbinders for April 2023, and it is basically everything that you need to make a card. So we've got this big frame. It is kind of an odd shape with the squiggles and such, and then we've got this decorative inlay piece. And we've got another frame to go along the inside that is going to basically cut it out so you could have that as a frame. And now that I'm thinking about it, I may decide to do a shaker card. So I think this would work great for that. We've also got some of the scripty sentiments that I love. These are larger than some of the other ones that I've got in my stash. So we've got thanks, for you, hello, and best wishes. So it covers a lot of different things, and right now I am needing some thanks or thank you cards. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to go ahead and start just doing some die cutting, and we'll see where the card goes from there. Okay, so after all the debate and trying to figure out what kind of colors I want to do, I'm going to use this navy cardstock, and I'm also using my magic mat that is going to make everything. It basically is saving my plates and making them last a lot longer. I'm also going to tape it in place though, because I have been lazy. I need to flatten out my magic mat. It's real easy to do, only takes about like 5 minutes, but I've been lazy. So I'm going to just tape it down because right now my magic mat is not completely flat. I'm also going to cut out a thank. This is thank, yes, thank and you. That's what I want. I want to do both words. This is going to be a thank you card. I'm going to cut out the thank and the you out of that same navy blue cardstock. Okay. And of course, the only thing that's sticking right now is my tape. So for the background part, I use the outline and that intricate die. And I'm going to clean out all the little bits in there, but that is pretty. But I like the idea of putting white behind it because that's going to make it so that you can see all the bits better, I think. So now that I've got everything cut out, I can start assembling. So I'm going to add this white panel, which is made using that frame. I'm going to add that on to the back of the piece that I cut using the frame and the intricate die. Okay, so that's kind of where that is. I'm just going to add that onto the back. And for this, I'm just going to use some dot liner adhesive this time. I have been using art glitter glue rather so much that this guy does not get much love anymore. I'm just going to line everything up right with those edges. And now you can see the white through all of those little flowers. That is going to get adhered to the front of my card. I might pop the whole thing up on some foam tape. Not 100% sure. Before I do that though, I am going to go ahead and do my little sentiments. And I'm going to use something that is new to my craft stash, and that is some artist tack. And what it's going to do is add some little dots right to the back of those words. So I'm going to just place all of my letters down. This basically has the same kind of adhesive that, say, my dot liner does. It's got these little dots of adhesive. I'm going to put that down on there, and then I can put my release paper over the top. We're going to burnish it in real well. So it is going to be pressing that adhesive into the back of my sentiments here. So now I can remove those. And they've got adhesive all over the back so that I can just add them right on to our little shadow layer. And they stick perfect. And there we go. So now I'm going to go ahead and add this down to my card base. So I've got the panel. And then we can add our thank and you. I think I'm going to put the thank on there first. Kind of going to have them a little bit offset of each other. Just adding some liquid adhesive to the back. You could totally add some foam tape if you want here, but believe it or not, for this card, I decided, nice masculine card, I am going to just do it flat onto the card with some liquid glue. And there we have a pretty much clean and simple, super easy thank you card. Anyway, I love how this one turned out, and I can already think of ways that we could dress it up if we wanted to. We could always add some gems to that, or do something out of glitter paper, or any of those fun things, but I think this one works out really well as a masculine thank you card. Anyway, if you guys would like to see some more videos where I'm using Spellbinders products, be sure to check out this playlist. You guys have a wonderful day. Remember, if I can make it, you can too, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys!